Yo, welcome back, and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different, but uh, since the new video released, I'm going to be back testing a bit of Nasdaq futures and see how it goes, as I've got two 50k accounts loaded for this week upcoming, so I thought I'd do some back testing and get a bit ahead of the game. So we're on the daily time frame, horizontal, so we swept these daily lows, and we're in this big order block, but most of it seems like very consolidation up here, but price has clearly made its move down, swept these lows and reacted a little bit off these lows. So off the daily, we want to see a reaction off this liquidity sweep here, push onto the 4 hour. At the minute we're on Tuesday. We've got this 4 hour FVG that we could take a trade up to. So we've got this 4 hour FVG. Let's go into 1 hour time frame. Price looks like it's tapped this 4 hour, reacts off this 4 hour, moved down. But personally, Nasdaq, mostly your bias is bullish. Obviously you can catch like little retracements, but mostly your bias is very bullish. But let's go to news. News, we've got obviously March 3rd because we're back testing, but we've got GBP news, nothing really to do with us. Wednesday, USD, big day Wednesday. 5th of March, unemployment claims. Friday, a lot of news, so, and heavy news. But let's go back to, I don't know why we're on February now. Nice, change that back. March 3rd, there we go. So yeah, Tuesday's quite a good day to trade for Nasdaq because normally we've got volatility like just off the 230 New York Open. So no news is kind of good, because I think news on Nasdaq can either push in one direction and manipulate, or it can just cause the market to chop personally. But we've swept these daily lows, reacted quite nicely off it, tapped this 4 hour, retraced it a little bit more. But let's see, we're at 230 now. I'm going to go down to the 30-minute time frame. I'd say we want to see one of these two fair value gaps. Not 10 minute, 15. This 15-minute FVG to be invalidated. And then maybe we can get a nice entry. So let's see how this plays out. 5 minute. See if we tap this area again, see if we invalidate. Nice wick. Let's go on to 1 minute here. Right, it seems like we're pushing high. We've pushed above this 15-minute fair value gap. For me personally, we've got bullish structure. Looks like we've had a retracement here. We just swept this daily, and price looks like it's going to continue back up to this 4 hour on these highs. So personally enough, this would be a very nice little low of the day, a low of this session trade, like 1.2ish reward. But say we're on an eval, we're mainly aiming for like 1-to-1s, so anything like this target would be nice. Let's go into this position. 2% risk, 2% risk, 50k. Want to be making 1.5 really to pass the account quickly. So risk amount 1.5. We're risking 3%. We're for a 1-to-1 type trade. Get rid of that. See how this trade plays out. I'm gonna go on the 1 minute first, so we can see the candle pushing. Gives us more like a real time frame. There we go. Bang. Things with Nasdaq, like it's nice to see these little low of the day plays, and it's nice when you have no USD news, in my opinion, because all you're getting is that volume from 2:30 market open. Look, beautiful wick into this 4 hour, perfectly planned trade. And yeah, I'm going to start doing more of these videos, maybe a bit longer, but I'm trying to keep the videos a bit shorter now. But 50% consistency rule, obviously we'd want just 3%, so that's a little bit over, but obviously you do your calculations when you get to it. Like you could literally aim for a 1 hour trade if you really wanted to at that stage. But yeah, overall nice trade, good analysis. Let's go back on the daily 4 hour. Daily, with this, we've got that wick, sweep, rejection, and then 4 hour, wick, and we're retracing back up to this area and pushing higher. But that thing is with futures, you just want your piece of the pudding. You're not wanting a 5 RR trade like you see some people doing. You just want your piece of, like, I've made the easiest 3% in the world there. Like, that is literally all you want off futures. So hopefully this week I can do that. Literally easiest trade ever. Sweep, trade higher. Like, that's how easy it is. But yeah, thank you for watching, and hopefully I can start a few more videos of these. Cheers.